For an independent British film, I would need a production company, which funds the film, organises the production, cast and crew, makes the script development and organises the locations. Also, I would need a distribution company who books the film into cinemas and other platforms such as Netflix. It does the marketing and promotion and makes sure it targets the right audience. With mainstream Hollywood companies like Walt Disney Pictures, they do both the job of the production company and the distribution company and create million-pound productions. With a much lower budget and no recognition, I had to create my own production company and distribution company. My film is very low budget and independent, therefore it's not going to be in cinemas such as Cineworld or Vue Cinemas. However, it would be seen in somewhere such as the Picture House Cinemas, which is a small chain of independently run art cinemas. This is because of its niche audience. It doesn't have a mass audience, it would simply not be found in very large cinemas. It can also be viewed in a way such as streaming sites like Vimeo or YouTube. Independent films such as Purple Haze may receive external funding from companies such as the BFI. This is because independent films tend to be an investment. If they receive external funding, they are ultimately going to achieve a higher quality film, therefore they are likely to have more success. As it is not a high-budget film, companies such as Disney, Universal and Paramount would not have any interest, and it is very unlikely that a film such as mine would receive any funding from these companies. My production cards, Pinpoint Productions and Coastline Pictures, are very small compared to the large production companies, as I obviously didn't have the equipment or money to create a production card like these. Therefore, mine are more similar to independent companies such as Liberty Bell and Tiger Aspects. I chose to have fewer titles than the average film. After watching Fish Tank, an independent film by ICF Films and BBC Films, which has very little titles, I decided that this was effective. It gave the film a very simplistic feel, which fits perfectly with the social drama genre. I liked its minimalistic touch, and this inspired me to choose this. I also looked at Vera Drake, which uses both overlaid titles and intertitles. From this, I decided that I liked the overlaid titles and thought they went best for the genre. The Selfish Giant is very similar to my film in the way that it is also a British social drama, and it is an independent film. It was directed by Cleo Barnard. It was produced and distributed by the ICF Films and Pigment Movie Pictures. These companies are similar to Coastline Pictures and Pinpoint Productions. IFC Films distributes independent films and documentaries. Another example that my film and production cards are similar to is 45 Years. It's a British social drama film made in 2005, directed and written by Andrew Hay. The film was distributed by Artificial Eye. It is a British film distributor specialising in independent, foreign language and art house films for cinema and home entertainment. Its production company is The Bureau. The Bureau is a group of associated producers. Another more familiar independent company is Film 4. Film 4 is a British digital television channel